Okay, so my bushings came in today and we're gonna peep this out. So these are relatively simple. It's just like they're all basically the same. Yeah, you get lubricant, which usually some type of like silicone jelly like lubricant. It's real thick. And then the pins, let's see if it fits. Oh, perfect fit. Okay, so it's probably the right part. And yeah, it looks like, yeah, you can see it's the same distance, so I'll get this in. Okay, so here's how you do the bushing. This is a pain in the ass to get in, but now that I got it in, I can get it the rest of the way. You have to get it over this, and it's hard. So what you do is you get, I had these in my bucket of bolts because I've done this before. So you get a big washer, a smaller washer, and then a long enough bolt. That's a pretty good sized bolt. Then you get a washer that fits the end like that. Thread this end, and then you just crank it with 2 ratchets till you can push this through. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to push this through. There's no way. Alright, this is so difficult I had to thread the pin in, but it wasn't as bad because it was basically like this, and it didn't take very much to once it's guided in, you just tap it in with the hammer. Okay, the bushing's done, and it does not require any washers. Like, I just loosened it right here, and it's not stressing out the bushing. There is one caveat though. This bolt right here, you're gonna have to take out the one washer on this side because this is slightly thicker. Otherwise, it's not gonna thread all the way here. I'll show you the other side. See right here, this is with the washer. It doesn't thread the bolt all the way in. I don't trust that, so you just have to remove the washer here, and it fits fine.